How to store and recall frequencies on the PJ2 COM radio. Start by entering the frequency you want to store. And then I'm going to tap the mem button, which is short for memory. There's 20 memory channels in the PJ2 COM radio. It'll automatically suggest to put it in the first available memory channel. Right now that's a 00. To do that, I'm going to hit mem again, and you'll notice it inserts it into 00. If I want to store another frequency, I just enter that in, tap the memory button, and it'll automatically pick the next available frequency. Now I can override the previous frequency by going up and storing it there, or I can go down to a different area and store it. To recall those frequencies, I'll use the recall button. And now I can scroll up and down to choose which frequencies I want. When I've chosen my frequency, I can hit clear to exit the recall mode.